As we close out 2025, volatility shifts, liquidity thins, and the smartest traders adjust their playbook for the final stretch. Here are the top 5 option strategies to finish the year with confidence. Strategy 1. The tightened Iron Condor. Markets often compress in December, making narrower Iron Condors ideal. Use 20 to 25 delta wings, manage winners early, and target 30 to 45 days to expiration. Strategy 2. Cash-secured puts. On stocks you want to own in 2026, December dips caused by tax loss selling often create temporary discounts. Selling puts lets you collect premium or buy shares at a bargain going into the new year. Strategy 3. Protective collars for high-gain positions. If you're sitting on sizable profits, a collar helps lock them in. Buy a protective put, finance it with a short call, and maintain controlled upside exposure. Strategy 4. Year-end calendar spreads. December often brings low short-term implied volatility while January 4 rises ahead of earnings and macro events. Calendars let you benefit from this IV structure with defined risk. And strategy 5, the Q1 prep diagonal spread. Pick a stock with a strong trend, buy a longer-dated option, and sell a shorter-dated one against it. This positions you for early year momentum while reducing cost and managing risk. To recap, tightened Iron Condors, cash-secured puts, protective collars, calendar spreads, and Q1 prep diagonals are your 5 most reliable tools to close out 2025 strong. Thanks for joining us at optionstrading.org.